Hi Eddie, I have installed a softbox light for my workshop. Now I'm working on my another PPF work bay.
Good. Do you plan to get one more softbox lightning?
Maybe not. The softbox light is really nice, but the installation is a little bit difficult for me. I have to prepare the backboard first, then to install the UV film. For me, the simpler is the better. Do you have any other option?
If so, I will recommend you the panel lights. The panel lights also provide perfect brightness and coverage for PPF and wrapping works. They are combined by the assembled panel lights, so you don't need to worry about the UV films and the backboards anymore. Each panel is 0.6 meter by 1.2 meters. We can do 9-in-1, 12-in-1, and so on. Install the frame first, and then install the panel lights one by one.
Nice, it looks easier for the installation. That's what I want.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.